like to call you on the telephone again. I would like to tell you that I'm true. What's the use in calling when I won't have to pretend I were no longer in love with you? Broke down and listened to your music again. Heard that you've been writing something new.